All right, this module is called How to Create Your Travel Bucket List. If you went through the Discount Travel Secrets course already, you have probably already done this. But if you are just jumping around or just looking at this lesson because this is what piqued your interest, then we can start with that. So if you go into this lesson and open up the PDF, you will see this page that you can print out or download to write on, or you can just have your own sheet of paper or open up a Google Doc. It is really up to you how you want to do this. But this does have blank pages in case you do want to write in them. And we're just going to go through some ideas to get you thinking about what you want to add to your bucket list. I'll keep this down here. If money or time were no object, where would you go right now? What place have you always dreamed of going? Do you want to travel for any special occasions, like a wedding, a honeymoon, a gap year, a graduation trip? Is there a specific landmark you want to see, like the Eiffel Tower, Big Ben, the Sydney Opera House? Are there any foods you want to try from around the world? Do you want to try pasta in Italy, a real German beer in Germany, Swiss chocolate, French wine? Do you want to learn something from another culture? Do you want to do like cooking classes in Italy, historical tours, learn a language? Is there a mode of transportation on your bucket list? Maybe a specific cruise destination, a cross-country train, a road trip, a helicopter tour? Is there someone in particular you want to travel with? Do you want to take your parents somewhere, your partner, your kids, your friends, your coworkers? Are you still in school or considering future schooling? Could you study or intern abroad or away from home? Is there an event you'd love to go to? The Olympics, the World Cup, Oberammergau. That's a thing that they do in, I think, Germany, like every 10 years or so. An inauguration, a coronation, New Year's Eve. Are there any seasonal destinations you want to visit? So Christmas markets in Europe, Mardi Gras in New Orleans, Carnival in Rio, New Year's Eve anywhere. This is the blank page here where you can write all of those ideas. But those are some things to get started, because I think a lot of people think of their bucket list of like what cities they want to go to. Like, I want to go to Paris and I want to go to London. But my bucket list is like, I want to visit all 50 states and I want to take Caribbean cruises to all the Caribbean islands. I want to do European river cruises. I would say I want to go wine tasting in France, but I actually did that in high school. Our parents had to like sign a waiver and everything because we were like 16. But things like that can be your bucket list. It doesn't have to be like a city. It can be a specific experience. And that is it for how to create your travel bucket list. And I will see you in the next lesson.